Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a massive thank you for checking out my Phoenix Reloaded review, I should say. Phoenix Reloaded is the basically the third version of the original Phoenix method, which is basically how Mark and I generated easily $1,000 a day using a simple affiliate marketing, list building, commission generating tactic that has basically created hundreds of affiliate marketers and gone on to make five figures, literally. Like, I'm not joking. So there's people that have gone on to using this method, and some people have hit nearly six figures in a month. There's other people that hit 50 to 60K in a month, and there's other people just basically actually hitting their first commission online as a result of being able to follow the step-by-step process that we put in place, and being able to actually generate commissions that way. Now, I know with there's a lot of products out there, softwares. Now, this is not a software. If you want a software, if you want the quick fix, you can go away. You can click out of this video. There's no point you're watching this and being able to take on this method and being able to think you're going to make a quick buck. So this actually does involve work. It's basically what it does is it's about building your business in a longevity style, because if you're looking for quick money, you ain't going to get it here, mate. So I'm just being fair and honest with you. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go through the products with you. I'm going to go through the front end with you. I want to actually give you my own bonus to Phoenix, which is going to blow everyone else out of the park, because I can do it and I'm going to do it. So you want to hold on just until we get through the review of Phoenix, so you can hear about that bonus and being able to access basically all the products in the funnel at basically at half the price of what the full funnel is actually going to cost you. So I'm going to basically provide you guys with a really awesome deal that I can do personally. You're only going to get it through me. You're not going to get it through anyone else, because I'm going to allow you to be able to take advantage of a full process that has helped me personally generate over $100,000 in 30 days. Now, if are you going to be kidding about, I'm going to quickly show you some of my results and how. So this is basically the JV page, and we'll touch on that in a second. I'm here in the Click Magic. So as you can see here, this is a rotator section. I actually use the product myself, and basically Phoenix touches base on using a rotator method to be able to have, some people just don't want one product and they want another one, or they might want another. So we touch on that in the training. Now, I'm going to quickly go to my Warrior Plus account. This will show you real-time results. I'm going to go to my dashboard, go to affiliate dashboard. Now, today I've done over $2,500 in commissions. That includes JV. So affiliate commissions earned is $2,200, and I've been averaging around about well over $2,000 for the last 7 days. So obviously, it's $1,000 plus per daily, plus more for me, because I've honed on the process. I'm sharing it with you guys in the reloaded version of Phoenix itself, and I've exposed everything within that front end. So I want to quickly go through it with you right now. I'm inside the members area here, guys, and we do a quick welcome video. Now we do a quick overview of the actual method as well. So Mark touches base on how he goes about it. This is Mark's baby, and I'm also adding my touch onto it as well. So you guys get the best of both worlds. Previously, we've only really gone through on Mark's side of things, but Mark and I have agreed to join forces basically in a way to show you how we've basically put our own touch on the Phoenix method, and how we've been able to, basically in combination with each other, do over, probably $170,000 monthly in affiliate earnings. So with that being said, and obviously, guys, if you want to see affiliate sales right there, $104,369 in the last 30 days. So yes, 100K in 30 days, legitimate proof right there. And it's how it's done. So 100K in 30-day case study, we go through that. And this is a video that on how I show you on my side of things. a real case study, real-time results. And then then we go back through the training. Now, there's a lot of foundational Phoenix stuff in here, but we've also touched it up as well in terms of we've re-honed the process, re-engineered it. So it's very important that you guys refocus on that training and being able to go through it if you've already been a previous Phoenix customer. If you're a new Phoenix customer, you guys got the best of both worlds. So welcome. And, we really look forward to you guys jumping in. And then we go through how to build the rotator, build a funnel, integrate autoresponder, set up your Phoenix follow-ups, and then the test funnel. Then we go through the traffic. Now, we guys are giving you the bonus of the little black book reloaded. Now, this usually retails for about $47. We're giving you this at no additional cost. All right. And what even better is that in the reloaded bonuses as well, guys, we're giving you license rights to 2 or 80% commission bumps on 2 of our offers. All right, for the one time, or just on the front end itself. So the value you're getting out of this is just insane. All right, so, and this, it doesn't matter who you get it through. If you've got a better bonus coming through someone else, you pick it up, you're going to get these as well. So, and we've got a whole bunch of lists of offers that are converting, ClickBank training as well, and we got a 3-day high converting follow-up sequence in place for you guys as well. So, and we've got a fresh, new done for you bonus funnel, and we're going to really go through there. So guys, definitely worthwhile. Monitor and scale, we've got a bit of training there, and then you guys will be able to do that. And then we go through the Phoenix ecosystem. Now this one is where I've basically added nearly $20,000 in additional revenue in 30 days just by implementing this. So it's a very powerful monetization method that you guys need to grab hold of. And I go through and I expose everything inside. So I recommend you guys go through that. And then we also have the upgrades as well. We do have upgrades. So we're just going to quickly go through the JV page. Now, rising from the ashes, and we're going to go through the upgrades here, guys. So the front end, jump on that. Then we have the profit automators reloaded, $37. And then we have, the Phoenix done for you package where we provide all the funnels and everything for you guys. And then on top of that, we've got the Phoenix, the 10x profit box. Give you all of our assets. You guys can use these and give them out as bonuses, which is pretty awesome. It's very rare that people allow you to do that. So we've enclosed all of that in for a one-time cost there, guys. And then we've got BAM, our breakout affiliate mastery. So I am going to offer a bonus, a really sweet bonus on this one if you guys jump in on this one. And I'll cover that in a minute. And then we got the Inner Circle Profits Club. And so if you guys do jump on a BAM, you won't need this, just full disclosure. And Phoenix Unlimited Traffic, and we've got the reseller rights. So basically, we give you commission bumps across all of our products. We've got 16 products out there on the marketplace, guys. 16 products to be able to jump in. They all convert relatively really well, and you are bound to generate commissions using those offers. And then what makes the Phoenix method so powerful is when you have commission bumps from anywhere between 70% to 100%, and that we give out 80%. It makes it very powerful because you're getting a bigger return on your investment in terms of building your business and generating income. And when you send the traffic, you're going to get a bigger ROI, and it's going to make it a hell of a lot easier to scale and start really building really quickly. All right. So now everyone's going to be probably asking, James, what is the bonus? What's the bonus you're going to give me? All right. So if you guys jump on a Phoenix through my link, which is below this video, if you jump on a Phoenix, you got to purchase the front end first. So the front end's $12.95. And if you guys jump on straight away, you say no to this, you say no to this, you say no to this, you say yes to this. So you must get at least the front end to enter the funnel. And then you buy the Breakout Affiliate Mastery Program. I will give you all the other OTOs inside the funnel. I will give you everything except obviously you need, but you must buy BAM. So you have to get it. Now, in order to do that, guys, you must purchase the front end, say no to all these, and it must be through my link. Can't be through anyone else's. I will know because I do check all the valid purchases via affiliates. If you buy this and purchase this, I will give you guys the rest of all the entire funnel of Phoenix at no additional cost. All right. So $12.95 plus $4.97, $500. You're saving yourself already because the done for you here is already $200 here. Most people usually don't get the downsells; they just usually get the upgrades. So you're saving yourself probably nearly, $300 if you're just going to get the full funnel. And actually you're saving yourself. If you get this and get this in, and if you were going to get the full funnel, guys, you're saving yourself almost $500 right there. So if you get this, and then you say no to all these, and then when you get to BAM, guys, and you say yes, you will get all the upgrades from me. All right. So I want to show you what it looks like. I want to show you what the page that you have to look for and pay very close attention. So it's a pink page. Want real results? Join our 10K in 30 days coaching mastermind live. Our mastermind will prove the Phoenix Reloaded truly works, fast track results. And if you jump on, you must get, obviously to get here, you have to buy the front end. Can't stress it enough. You have to buy it through this funnel, guys. You can't buy it just because Breakout Affiliate Master is a product on its own. If you buy it, you won't get it. You're not going to get these bonuses. So you must buy the front end of Phoenix Reloaded through my link first. Click here, buy the $4.97. Say no to everything else because you're going to get all the other upgrades at no additional cost. All right, guys, through my link only. So definitely worthwhile. And I'm going to show you some of the results here, guys. See, here, my funnel for solo ads is converting well. 575 from 2 buyers on the solo ad. Not bad. Pretty awesome. And then look at the commissions here. He's getting 97, 97, 79. Pretty sweet. Then Cynthia here, she's really starting to convert really well on the recip game. Rebuild's done for your package. Now, usually this is on an 80% bump. So 27, 147, 50, 54, Then Jimmy Ray smokes it out of the park, $92,000 in 30 days. I'm just giving you guys real-time results and how this really works. And then even Victor here, he did really well on Checkmate. I know it's really small, but he did really well on some Resurgence and Checkmate. He made nearly $900. I think he made $900 in the space of probably nearly 4 hours, which is stupid. So this just gives you sort of results. Now this is Fitzy and Dylan. Now these guys have been in BAM for a while. Now we've created a really awesome community within here, and these guys are meeting up, being able to talk. So this just speaks for itself. So you can guys go through here. My results while on vacation today, $5,378, and the day before, $3,509. I was at Disneyland those days. So this day was a Disneyland day and Universal. Disneyland here, Universal here. So it just gives you, a bit of perspective on what can happen when you put yourself in a position of authority and being able to leverage results on a proven system. And we have a bunch of videos here from all our students, guys. We've got Fitzy here, as you saw in the post. We've got Johnny. We've got Francisco here, and we got guys that are actually having success. So like I said, guys, pick up the front end here for $12.95. It's actually $7.95 with a $5 discount, and then $4.97 here, and then I'll give you all the upgrades, all the extra upgrades at no additional cost. That's my bonus for you if you pick up BAM, because we want more people in BAM. BAM is where the magic truly happens. And we're so excited to get people like you inside to start generating massive, massive results. And I'm going to show you really quickly a bit more about this is the affiliate marketing. So this is actually a BAM community here, guys. We jump in the BAM. We've always got videos here. I was in here 2 days ago. Every week I'm in here. every week. And we have deals with other vendors as well to help with license rights. So, you know, actually, yes, I did ask for that feature. Yes, I did. And then we've got, full training here. People, people come across with issues in their business when we help them out. Fully, Mark and I are in there all the time. People achieving new heights, top 25% affiliate badge today, which is really good for Barry. Barry just joined us. As you can see, Art Flair, we've saw that in there before. Now we give, BAMs get a bump on Phoenix Reloaded. So you guys get bumps and all of our future bumps on all our future launches as well. And we also talk about what autoresponders are best to use out there, what works, what doesn't. We keep up with the trends. We help you guys. We make sure you guys make informed decisions and, really awesome results. Now, Aaron's not long joined us. He got $281 a day. He just started out, so he's doing really well for himself. It's all about starting, getting part of a true process and being supported by a really awesome community, guys. So this is my review, my sneak peek of Phoenix, my bonus to you guys. You're only going to get it through me. You're not going to get it through anyone else. Full disclosure. And I really want you guys to jump onto that one. $12.95 here. And then just say no to these. Then when you get to this, to this page, say yes, $4.97. And then you'll be able to jump through. If you can't do the $4.97, we do have the other upgrades there if you want to jump onto them. You can pick with him what's in your budget, but this deal is specifically for if you can do the front end and then just do the $4.97. It's going to cost you $510, and you're going to get the entire funnel for it. Basically saving yourself another $500 as well. So, guys, look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Phoenix review. We're really looking forward to you guys jumping on this one. And I'll see you guys inside Phoenix. And I'm hoping to see you guys inside our Breakout Affiliate Mastery course here. Thanks, guys. Cheers.